In our previous tutorial, we have covered the topic how to create the object of a class, how to set and get the values with the help of setters and getters, and the constructor. So there are two types of constructor. One is default constructor, which is provided by Java, and another is parameterized constructor, which we have seen earlier. Now, today in this tutorial, we are going to cover the topic static fields and static methods. So what are static? Static fields are class level fields. Suppose there are suppose we have this student class in which we have id and name, and this id and name will be different for different object. For different student we have different ids. For name of the different object of the student will be different. Suppose we want to store the information of the 100 student, and in which we have id name and college name. So in each object, this id and name will be unique, but the name of the college will be same. So what we can do here is, if the name of the college is same, then creating the this object, setting and getting again and again in all the objects is not the right way. Let's explain it again. Suppose we have 100 student in which id and names are unique. Id of the student will be unique and name of the student will be different, but their college name will be same. Suppose this is the name of the college, and that will remain same for all the students. So if we create the object, we need to set and get the object like this. Suppose we have student 1, student 1, student 1, student 1. So we need to set each value, id and name for each student. Suppose we have student 2. We will copy and paste, and here the name of student 2, student 2, student 2, and suppose 101. Suppose ABC, and here what we'll do, here 2, 2. Let's run it again. As you can see that 100 Anil Thakur, then we have 101 ABC. Now here what is the problem? Now we have one more field, which is college. If we create setters and getters of this college, we have to set the college name in all the objects. For example, let's create the setters and getters of this college. What we have to do now, student 1 dot set college name as UIIT. So this is my college name. Suppose my college name, and this student also belong to the same college, so name of the college will be same. And we can display them on the console as well. Let's see the output. Yeah, as you can see that college name is BU, college name is BU. Everything is fine, it's working fine, but the problem is that we are reporting, or we are repeating some line of code. these two lines are repeating itself, and this information belongs to the, if we have 100 students, then we have to set 100 times the name of the college, which is not the right way. So as we know that this college name will be remain constant for all the objects. So that property we can set in a in that property we can set in a static variable of a class. We can make that fields as static. Suppose college is equal to view, and we can make it as static, public static, and we can directly access the this. Either we can, if you have getters, then we can make it private as well. Let's run it again. Here you can see that view, how it is working, because this getters are, with the help of this getter we are able to get the values. But suppose we do not have the setters and getters, what will happen? We have to make it as public, and here what we have to do, what we can do, we can directly access it. And let's run it again. Yes, as you can see that college name is PU. What next thing we can do is we can make it in uppercase. Always try to keep the constant in uppercase. Let's rerun it again. Yes, as you can see that use my output. So this is how we can use the static fields. We can use the static fields in a class. So this PU will be available for all the objects. So this is my static field or class variable. The value of this class variable will be same for all the objects, and these two are my instance variable. They are my instance variable. They will be different for different objects. So now one more thing, we can have the static methods as well, and static methods we can directly access with the name of the class.